Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now divide the hairs into two sections, pull it inside out twice, it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making the braids out of it as shown in the video and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then attach it properly with the help of a hairpin, accessorize it nicely and it's done. For the next one, take your hairs all together, tie it nicely and then take a clip and then roll out the hairs till the top and then attach it nicely with the help of a hair clip. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it all together with the help of the elastic and then make a bun out of it with the help of a hair clip. It's done. For the next one, tie your hairs nicely with the help of the elastic and then make the small bun out of it. Now take the remaining hairs, do it as shown in the video, fix it properly. It's done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and then tie it nicely. Now take a hair clip and then attach it in a vertical manner. Now start taking the smallest section of the remaining hairs, roll it nicely and then attach it on the clip as shown. Repeat the exact same process very nicely till it will look like this. It's done. For the next one, tie your hairs nicely and then pull it inside out. Now make the braids out of it and then fix it properly with the help of a hair clip. It will be looking like this and then accessorize it properly and then it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then make the braids out of it and then with the help of a hair clip or the clutcher, fix it properly and then it's all done. Thanks for watching.